Hi, my name is Jay and you are watching Medical Tube Med. Today I am going to talk about ANM coding update which is coming in 2021. As a medical coder and as a medical coding lover, we should know coding related updates, and this is a big update. So let's start with coding update highlight and major changes which is coming in 2021. The new 2021 ANM guidelines are coming soon, and here I have listed some points related to this update. So the AMA, American Medical Association, is released a brand new set of ANM coding guidelines which be effective from January 1st, 2021. These guidelines and update will be effectively used after January 1st, 2021. The changes apply to new and established office patient only, means this is very important. This update only applicable for office visit, and in office visit new patient and established patient only, not for IP and all. So this is the ANM coding update 2021, and here you can see some points which is updated. So we will see one by one. So here first one is the 99201 level of care will be deleted. 99201 is a new patient code. So 99201, 202, 203, 204 and 205. So this is the first minimal level of new patient office visit. So this level will be deleted. Okay, so this is one major change. Then next, so there are total 3 key components: history, PE and MDM. On the basis of these key components, we have to decide ANM level. But in 2021 update, they have clearly mentioned history and PE examination will no longer be a key component of documentation. Then third one is the level of care will be determined by time spent or by the medical decision making. So this is important. Means level of care means ANM level will be decided on the basis of time, and on the basis of MDM we have to decide ANM level in 2021 for office visit. Then next, changes in definition of time. The rules for adding up time spent will be different in 2021. So that time criteria also will be differ. Okay. And then next one is there will be a new table for calculating MDM in 2021. So we are using MDM table for risk, and there are total 3 tables, but in 2021 update they have created one new table for calculating MDM level. Okay. Then next, there will be a new prolonged service code for a new and established office visit. Then next, there will be a new G code for increased medical complexity or primary care. History and physical examination will no longer affect the level of care selected. While selecting ANM level or level of care, history and physical examination will not be affect on ANM level. If suppose there is only one physical examination point you can find, then also level can be high. So it's depend on MDM and time spent while doing that service. Then code selection will be driven by time spent or the medical decision making. The same thing here, repeat again. Say level code selection level will be depends on time spent and MDM. Then the work RVU assigned to the new and established office visit will be increased. There will be a combined G code for primary care and or increase medical complexity. So guys, as per my thinking, automation will reduce effort of medical coding, but it will affect on medical coders career also. It's upon you guys. It's a good news or bad news, and this update is making coding easier for selecting level of care. Slowly coding will be completely automated, and the coders career will be gone. So guys, please be updated always and stay secure. So this is only today's ANM updated 2021 highlight video. Next I will explain in deep with new MDM table and updated time also. If you like my video, then please subscribe Medical TubeMate, and if you have any doubt, comment me. I will provide all related coding updates. Thank you so much.